Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Nicole, and today I'm going to do a contact lens haul. Yay! I've always wanted to do one of these. Last time I wore contacts was back in high school. If I can find a picture, I probably won't be able to. I'll put it over here, but I probably won't be able to. I used to wear these bold green contacts back like my freshman and sophomore year of high school. I don't know what I was thinking, sis, but yeah. So today I'm going to be doing a contact lens haul on Boulonguise. I hope I'm not butchering their name, but Boulonguise contact lenses. They had a sale for buy one get two free. I used Petite Sue Divinity's coupon code. I love her so much. I will always support her. She's a really genuine, like real person. She's from Jamaica as well. So I got this idea from her. Actually, I saw one of her contact hauls from them. I think she sponsored, and I was just like, I want to wear some contacts. I haven't worn contacts in years, and it would be fun, you know, to change up my looks a little bit and just have some fun, right? Who cares? So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys now. So the contacts actually came in this pretty gold packaging, and I got 3 contacts, and my total, each contact lens that I got was $35 each, but with the buy one get two free, I only paid $36, and then shipping was $3, and it was pretty fast. I think I got my stuff in about 3 days, and they're in Texas. I only paid $39, no tax or anything. It was an extra $1 because I did get one of their little contact lens holders, but I forgot to buy 3 of them. So I end up getting some really cheap ones on Amazon. But everything that I'm saying will be listed down below in the description box, so you guys feel free and go and check Boulonguise out. So I got 3 pair, and the colors I got, this brand is from Eyewash, so I take it that they do different brands of contact lenses. So this one is from Eyewash, and I got the color Snow Deer Charcoal. I got Me-Tone soft contact lenses in Aurora Green, because you know I wanted to go back to that high school green color. And I got Fresh Go color soft contact lenses, and this is in the color Orchard. So yeah, we'll be trying these on for you guys. And I noticed when I was ordering, you can get these just for fashion, or you can get them as a prescription as well. For prescription, I forgot how long it said it will take, but it'll take some days for you to actually get that subscription. So yeah, just be mindful of that if you guys do get prescription contact lenses. So if you guys would like to see that, then keep on watching. And also, if you guys want to see more on this hair that a lot of you've been asking about when I did the Love Me Hair unboxing with the brown highlights in the front, then that video will be linked down below and also in the card sections as well, so go check that out. So let's get right into this contact video. So for this, you guys want to make sure your hands are totally clean. While I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. So the first color I'm going to do is the brand Eyewash, and this is in the color Snow Deer Charcoal. So when you open the box, they are separate, which is good. right, next we're going to do Aurora Green. All right, then lastly we're going to do the Fresh Go and Orchard. You guys enjoyed this Boulonguise contact lens haul of my 3 very first contacts that I actually bought with them with my hard-earned money. If you guys would like to see more of these, let me know in the comment section. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you guys want to suggest any videos that you guys want to see from me, let me know down in the description. Not in the description box, girl. Let me know down in the comment section and I will get that out for y'all. Just let me see what y'all trying to get me to come up with. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see y'all in my next one.